Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 22nd. This is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the US dollar yen, very sideways day today, very rangy market. But to me, that's actually kind of a good thing because to me, this is definitely looking like it's forming a corrective pattern, not an impulsive pattern. So, if it is a corrective pattern, then most likely it's a correction or a pullback to the last impulsive up, which I think would be right here. So maybe it will go down a little more throughout the Asian session, maybe end up grabbing some of these lows. But I definitely am looking at this whole move right here as a correction to the last move up, and I think it's very likely going to break to the upside at one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, maybe the 15 or 61, and likely end up continuing the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.